Alright, good afternoon and welcome to this video tutorial. My name is Raphael from specdigitals.com, and in this tutorial I'll actually be guiding you on how you can actually make some troubleshooting to your website. It actually happened to me, and I'm going to show you how I was able to rectify the problem. If you notice, this is a website, an e-commerce multi-vendor website. You can see that everything is perfectly working. But I noticed that immediately I finished installing uh, a plugin, I noticed that something happened. For instance, let me copy this URL. Okay, let me copy it. Let me paste it here. You can see the error message now. There has been a critical error on this website. Learn more about. To learn more is for you to start going to WordPress.org to see how you can troubleshoot it. Okay, but you don't need to go through all this stress any longer because that is the essence of this video. You can see. So if I refresh this very one, let me refresh it so that you can see what I'm actually talking about. Let me refresh it. You can see after installing a plugin, I noticed that this is how the website started showing this error message. Okay, so for you to actually do that, I'm actually on a Namecheap hosting a company. All you need to do is to go to your cPanel. If you don't know how to access your cPanel, then log into your Namecheap account. Okay, in your dashboard. If you don't have to access your dashboard, just like this, you click on this, you access your dashboard once you log into your Namecheap account. Okay, once you access your dashboard, scroll down to access your cPanel. You can see just hover over this guy, hover over the domain. You can see go to cPanel. Okay, once you click on this page will open for you. This is the cPanel. Okay, now you have to scroll down way down to File Manager. This is the File Manager. Click on File Manager. But you must be ensured that you know the name of the plugin you actually install that caused this problem. But even if you don't know the name, you can still troubleshoot it from here. Okay. So you now scroll down. Let's look for the name of my website. Okay. This is Good Price NG. Now click. Okay. So scroll down and click on Public HTML. Okay. Click on Public HTML. Then double click on WP content. Okay. Then click on plugin. In your case, if it is theme that I install, you can actually click on theme. But in my case, it was plugin that I installed. Okay, so I'm going to double click on this. So these are the names of the plugin in my website. So I'm going to scroll down and search for the plugin that I actually installed that is causing this pop up here. This is the plugin that I installed that is causing all this. All I need to do is to right click on it, click on rename. You can see, click on rename. So I'm going to call it, just add anything in the front. I'm going to add, let's say, SSS. Okay, just add anything and rename it. I'm going to click on rename. Okay, it has been renamed. Okay, so if I go back now, so let's refresh it. As you can see, the website is back on and is working perfectly well now. Okay, so basically that is how you can actually recover your website when it is showing this critical this message there has been a critical error on this website. It is usually caused by a plugin or a theme. Once you notice that such a thing happens to this thing, just try to remember the name of the plugin or the theme that you actually installed that is causing this. But don't be scared because you are not going to lose any of your file, everything will be intact. Even if it is the theme that caused it, uninstall the theme and install the previous one that was actually working with the website, and your resources on that website will still be intact. Nothing will happen to it. And when you discover that after uninstalling the plugin that you actually thought caused the issue and it didn't work, all you need to do is to keep on uninstalling, as in keep on changing the names. Okay, keep on changing the names like this one. Just right click, change, keep changing the name one after the other. When you click on the right click on this one, change the name to something else, then check if the website is back on. If it's not back on, click on another one, right click on another one, change the name, check if the your website is back on. Once it's back on, then you stop removing the listing. Once you go back to your website dashboard, you can actually reinstall those ones that actually that never caused the issue, but because of the previous one that I installed, that the issue came on. So you can reinstall them back, and your system, your website will be live on air and is to start working back again. Please, if this is the first time you're coming across my channel, kindly do me a favor by hitting on that red subscribe button and turn on the notification bell because I actually upload quality videos here, and that will be your own way of supporting the channel. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Don't forget to check